Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to make this Easter themed bag that I just printed with a template I printed on a laser printer and lavender oil. If you haven't used this technique yet, it's very quick and easy to do, so you're gonna be ready just in time for Easter if you're gonna try it this weekend. I might not have done myself a favor when I printed it on this very big bag, because now I need to fill it. But I also tried it on a smaller bag from scraps of fabric I used. Yeah, this might be the one that I'm giving away, and this one I might keep as a shopping bag. Anyway, important is that you use a laser printer. It's not going to work with an ink printer, and I used very natural fabric, so this bigger bag is 100% cotton and the smaller bag is linen, so this worked very well for me. Now let's get started. So here I'm gonna show you again what you'll need. It's the bag, the cotton bag, it's the template that you can print from a template from the blog. Remember, laser printer, not ink printer. It's lavender oil, a brush, a spoon, and some baking paper. And what's not in the picture, an iron. Now take the cotton bag, remove any stickers that you find, then take the baking paper and place it inside. This will keep the bag from staining from the oil that we're gonna use. Now I take the paper with the motif and put it on the bag, upside down of course, and then take some washi tape or pins and fix it in the place where you want the image to be. Now take the lavender oil and drop it on the paper. Make sure to place enough oil on it so it gets quite greasy, but not that you make any puddles of oil. Then spread the oil evenly with the brush. Now, as a final step of the printing process, take the spoon and rub it over the paper. Make sure to get all the edges, use a little bit of pressure, and do this for about 2 minutes straight. Now all that's left to do is remove the paper, and as you can see, you've just printed the image on your bag. To fix the image on the cotton, take a second piece of baking paper, place it on the image and iron it well. As a pro tip, do this in a very well ventilated room because it smells very strong, and I do like lavender oil, but even for me it was a very strong smell. And voila, it's all done and finished.